Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This video I will show you how to install the ARCA Swiss mounting plate to our mirrorless camera expansion module.
For this you will need the V-mount battery plate adapter from CineRig, product code 45GO45. First we need to take off these two screws that connect the V-mount plate to the ARCA Swiss mounting plate. Keep the screws nearby as you will be using the same two screws to attach the ARCA Swiss mounting plate to the expansion module. Now take the ARCA Swiss mounting plate and insert the rear part into the matching slot on the expansion module. Insert the two screws and tighten them using the Allen key provided in the package. It's a tight space you have to work in to tighten the screws, so be patient and take your time. There it is. Now you can attach the bottom of your camera cage to the quick release ARCA Swiss mounting plate. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments section. Thank you.